Yeah, Joe and Micah, the Justice Department filed a statement in support of State Rep Darren Bailey, saying Bailey's lawsuit that challenges the governor's stay-at-home order should be heard in state court, not in federal court.
It was an absolute gift. It was a blessing. It confirmed everything that I've been arguing and assuming, from day one. I've never made light of this, but I've always contended that at the detriment of the destruction of our economy, we cannot do this and live like this.
So the Justice Department statement says even in the face of a pandemic, indeed, one might say especially in the face of a pandemic, states must follow the legal processes they have established to protect their people's health while also protecting their people's rights. Bailey was escorted out of a General Assembly meeting earlier this week for refusing to wear a mask. And yesterday, the state attorney general moved Bailey's suit from state court into federal court. Bailey called that a stall tactic, as the case was set for a hearing that was supposed to happen today in front of a Clay County judge who has previously ruled in Bailey's favor. But that judge, Michael McHaney, did get another opportunity to weigh in on the governor's stay-at-home order today, and he reportedly did not mince words as he ruled the order is not enforceable specifically against the owner of a downstate tanning salon and his business.
Now, it's clear that the judge in Clay County has his own political agenda. I can also say that the decision in that court, if it goes against us, really only applies to Clay County because it's been decided already in Cook County Court. It's been decided already in Sangamon County Court, upholding my ability to issue disaster proclamations and executive orders associated with a disaster in the state of Illinois.
The fact that the state has moved this case to federal court is not an unusual thing. This is a question that if it does get there, it will be about the United States Constitution.
And the Illinois Attorney General had no comment on today's developments. Joe and Micah, we'll send it back to you.
All right.